Kevin O'Leary's crypto portfolio. Everybody wants to become rich by finding the next big crypto investment opportunity. But there are so many crypto tokens and coins out there. So what is the right investment? Is it Solana, Bitcoin, Chainlink, HBAR, or something completely different? There are many coins with huge potential. But which one should you put in your crypto portfolio? Well, who knows it better than one of the greatest investors of our time? Mr. Wonderful, the one and only Kevin O'Leary.
But how do I make money?
Before we start looking into Kevin O'Leary's exact crypto portfolio, let us know what your crypto portfolio looks like. What are your positions? What is your favorite token or coin? Write it down in the YouTube comment section and why you're investing into this. Let's start with Kevin O'Leary's crypto portfolio.
Care to disclose what kind of assets you're holding?
I will. I'll disclose some of them. You know, part of this came through my relationship with FTX. I'm a shareholder in FTX, as well as a paid spokesperson. I have to disclose that. I love what Sam is building there, you know, and I use my FTX wallet, obviously. But I also own HBAR, I own Polygon. I just put a position on in Polygon after you know, meeting Sandeep. I love his vision of reducing gas fees, particularly, you know, for people that can't afford to spend that much on ETH. But he's aggregating transactions and passing them through in one, saving a ton of money. I love that idea. Just got into Helium, also Avalanche, Solana. I'm a big believer in that. I've got 32 aggregate positions. Those are some of the larger positions. And so I don't know which one's going to win. Nobody knows. But certainly, you know, Ethereum's too slow for me as a financial services guy. So I'm hoping that Solana ends up being something much faster. It's got the backing of Sam Bankman-Fried, which is always a good thing. But there's a lot of new ideas, and I'll back any entrepreneur that has something of value. I'm not so much onto the, you know, for lack of a better word, the shit coins. I want something to show economic potential, to create value somewhere. But it doesn't mean you can't have fun with crypto. You know, if you want to trade some Dogecoin, great.
Doge on Mars and stuff like that.
That's all fun. It's like going to Las Vegas.
Before we continue with Kevin O'Leary's exact crypto portfolio, make sure to also watch my other videos about Kevin O'Leary's next investments and Kevin O'Leary's 6 rules for getting rich. You will find both videos at the right corner below or at the end of this video. In addition to that, you will find my 100% free training where I show you my 2,265 per day system, which you can copy paste. It's also below this video in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get more super valuable videos about how to make money with cryptocurrency and how to become financially free. Let's continue with Kevin O'Leary's crypto portfolio.
And I'm also very, very interested in seeing policy come through on stablecoins, because in many of my operating companies we have large cash positions. We're making 22 basis points. If I can lend out a contract for 30 days at 4% on, you know, USDC or whatever, there's many ways to go on stablecoins, but we really need policy there, because my auditors and my compliance departments will not let me put on a significant position on stable.
No. Well, you got to think that market is really ripe for growth, given the yields that you can earn just by holding stables.
But I think the yields have come down over the last 3 months because we're past 100 billion, but it's still better. And I think why it should be standardized as policy is it allows the US dollar to remain the default currency globally. And you want that. And I'd like to do a lot of the work I do in Europe on USDC and just not have to go through FX transactions all the time. But we need regulators to approve that. But we're in nascent days, we're early days, but I'm extremely optimistic.
What do you think about Kevin O'Leary's crypto portfolio? Let us know in the YouTube comment section below. Also, please share this video with your community. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to see more valuable videos like this one. That's everything I have to say. Take care. Bye-bye.
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.